Hello everybody, it's Nicola again. I hope that everybody is good and that you liked the videos from last week. Can you remember what animal is loud? Can you remember? Very good. It was the lion. Hurrah! The lion is loud. And can you remember what animal is quiet? Shh. Can you remember? Very good. It was the mouse. Squeak, squeak, squeak. The mouse is quiet. Very good, everybody. Tell me, what animal did you draw? Good job. Excellent. Okay, everybody. Are you ready for class? Yes? Because it's time for class. It's time for class. Are you ready? Yes? Okay, let's start. Today, we are going to learn about actions. Actions? What's that? So the first action is singing. La 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 la. Singing. I am singing. La 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 la. I am singing. Very good. Singing. I am singing. Everybody together. Very good. I am singing. La 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 la. Now, everybody, let's clap, 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 clap. I am clapping. I am clapping. Clapping, clapping, clapping. Now it's your turn. Very good. I am clapping. Clapping. Good job. Now, everybody shout. Ah! I am shouting. I am shouting. Now it's your turn. Shouting. Very good, everybody. Now, everybody stand up. Are you ready? Come on, stand up, everybody. Up, up, up. Let's go. Now, everybody dance. I am dancing. I am dancing. I am dancing. Very good. Now it's your turn. Ready? Go! I am dancing. Very good, everybody. Good job. So we have singing, la 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 la, clapping, shouting, ah, and dancing. Very good, everybody. Okay, are you ready? Everybody, it's time to dance. Are you ready to dance? Yes? Mummies, daddies, grandpas, uncles, all the family. Are you ready to dance? Okay, everybody, stand up. Let's go. Everybody, come on. Up, up, up. It's time to dance. Are you ready? Okay, let's listen for the music. 1, 2, it's coming. 3, let's go. Ready? Stand up, come on. Say freeze, freeze. Say dance, dance. You feel dancing all around. Good job, everybody. Whew, I'm tired. Monkey, monkey. Hello? Monkey, I need some water, please. Can I have some water, please? Yes. Oh, thank you, monkey. Water. Aye. Good job, everybody. Okay. I have a question for you. Where are you? Where are you? I can't see you. I am in my house. I am in my house. Okay, let's look. This is a house. A house. Can you say house? A house. A house. Very good. A house. And in my house, there is the bedroom. Bedroom. I sleep in my bedroom. Can you say bedroom? Bedroom. Very good. Living room. Living room. In my living room, I watch the TV. Living room. Can you repeat? Living room. Very good. Living room. Then we have the bathroom. Bathroom. I brush my teeth in my bathroom. Can you say bathroom? Bathroom. Very good. And I have a kitchen. 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 In my kitchen is I make the pizza and the pasta. Yummy, yummy. Can you repeat? Kitchen. Kitchen. Very good, everybody. Now, I would like, and monkey, we would like you to draw your house. So monkey and I, we can see your house. Let's show them my house, monkey. Yes? Okay. So here I have drawn my house. I have the bedroom, my bathroom, my kitchen, and my living room. This is my house. Do you like it? Yes? Thank you. So, can you draw your house for next week for monkey and me? Yes? So you have to do the kitchen, the bathroom, the bedroom, and the living room. And you can color it in. Color yellow, blue, red, pink. Yes? Okay, very good. Okay, everybody. Well, today's class, it's finished. And we hope to see you next week. Okay? Yes? Okay, everybody. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, monkey. And bye-bye, everybody. See you next week. Bye-bye.